Hi there, thanks for tuning in. My name is Shaw.
My name is Xiao.
And we're here to talk to you today about Windows Ink. Quick agenda. First, we'd like to talk to you about the opportunity for app development in the inking space. Then we'd like to talk to you about our platform in two pieces. First, the built-in controls and rendering, and then Smart Ink, where the magic happens. So I'd like to reiterate to you guys that Windows Ink is growing. We have more pen devices than ever before. We've doubled in the last year, and we expect to double the number of pen-capable devices again. From those available devices, the user engagement has also doubled. We have higher NPS scores, which measures sort of the satisfaction of folks that are using Windows Ink. And it is, if you're a Windows user who's happy using Windows 10, you are more satisfied if you are a pen user. The Windows Ink collection is one of the highest visited properties by users, where we feature your applications. And of our top grossing applications in the Windows stores, 6 out of 10 of those feature Windows Ink as a differentiator. People have been writing with pen and paper for a while now, and we've really been on a journey where we've started with the Windows Ink platform, which provides a digital representation of ink in the analog world, trying to get this pen on paper feel. But where we've really moved past, we really changed the game and moved past our competitors is with Smart Ink, where we can understand your user intent and enable scenarios that aren't possible with pen on paper. I'd like to start by giving you an overview of our platform, just a quick demo of what you get sort of for free out of the box. I have here a sample application featuring our Ink Toolbar and our Ink Canvas. What our Ink Toolbar provides is sort of an entry point to built-in brush types that are most commonly used. We have a ballpoint pen, we have a pencil, we have a highlighter. We also have things like erasing and stencils, like a ruler if you wish to draw straight lines. As you can see here, if I draw with my pencil, we have sort of built-in smarts for rendering around pressure sensitivity, adjusting the rendered stroke. We have libraries in D2D for rendering ink for you if you don't want to take on that task yourself. We also do ink modeling or stroke beautification, ink management if you need to save these strokes and reason over them later. In addition, because Windows applications are composed by the system compositor, the DWM, we have ink acceleration features that are really what get you sort of this best-in-class, low-latency feeling of the ink flowing off the tip of the pen. Again, the point of these features is to get you up and running really quickly and with a bunch of built-in support that you don't have to go build yourself. So let's just go really quickly to the code behind this demo. It's actually very simple. This is a blank universal application project, and what you see here has all been sort of given to you for free with 2 lines of code, the addition of an Ink Toolbar and an Ink Canvas that it is bound to. Put these in your application, you'll be up and running with Ink. What you do next is up to you. It's for your application context. To give you some ideas of what we've been able to do, I'm going to hand it over to Zhao to show you Smart Ink.
Thank you, Xiao. Now, let me take you to Smart Ink technology to take you beyond pen and paper. At the center of Smart Ink technology is the ink analysis platform, which is designed to analyze and recognize free-form digital ink documents. The ink analysis technology consists of a list of engines. The first of engines are the grouping engines that understand naturally the ink document, put them into different groups. And then after putting them into different groups, the layout engine analyze and understand the structure of the document. And with the grouping and layout analysis engines, I'm able to build very natural interactions like a quick tap to select a word or shape, a very quick double tap to select the parent of the word. In this case is a list item. I can also quickly drag the list item and reorder my to-do list. When I reorder, the code is also able to leverage the list item layout analysis, be able to do left alignment and beautify my ink document. Next, ink analysis has a list of also built-in classification engines that understand different types of ink strokes, whether those are random joins or some geometric shapes or handwritten text. The built-in recognition engines after this kicks in to recognize the handwritten text and shapes. In this case, I can turn a line of handwritten text into beautified text font. Also, we support geometric shape recognizer to recognize circles, triangle, diamond, pentagon, and hexagon. Last but not least, as mentioned earlier, the engines are designed to analyze and recognize free-form digital ink documents. Because of that, user can write numbers that is within a shape and also all with an angle. The engines are smart enough to recognize properly in those situations. Next, let me take you to the code. The code is designed to be very easy for you to use. The APIs are under Windows UI.input.inking.analysis namespace. So first, my code creates a new ink analyzer object. After that, I hook up the code with the ink presenter that Xia just introduced under the stroke started, collected, and erased events. On stroke collected events, I just simply add those stroke data to the ink analyzer, and on stroke erased, I remove them from ink analyzer. Also note here, I built a dispatcher timer to detect the user's intention to idle, not doing input, and wait for analysis results. This allows my code to control how frequent to analyze. After that, on the timer timeout, I call ink analyzer.analyzeAsync to kick off the analysis. After the analysis is done, on the ink analyzer, analysis.root has a set of APIs to help me do tree traversal and find node of certain types, and then update my document model and rendering logic based on that. Next, I'm going to transition back to Xia.
Thanks, guys. Just in closing, we wanted to reiterate, we want you guys to kind of join this Windows Ink flywheel and add to the momentum that we've already sort of created here. We have the devices, we have satisfied users, but we need applications from you guys to really make Windows Ink shine. Thanks, and please write some apps.
Thank you.